girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. Always just another interlude. You feel me? Yeah. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Precious. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
It's looking like, okay. I have all of my bedroom furniture put up and positioned where I want each furniture piece. And then I have my dresser behind me at the foot of the bed where I want it as well. What's up, y'all? I have my retainers in, so if you hear like a little lisp as I speak, that is why. But as you saw in the video clips before this one, I was pretty much, you know, unpacking, getting settled in, and getting my life together for real. So I feel like I'm pretty much settled in as far as unpacking and kind of placing all of my belongings where I want them to be within my place. So now that I have pretty much gotten the basics done with, you know, getting settled in, all I have to do now is pretty much make this place my own, decorate it. So with that being said, now I am pretty much going to continue to get my life together. I'm in no rush to get furniture within my place. If anything, I will probably decorate my bedroom first and then proceed to, you know, decorating the rest of my apartment. I've been up all day. I'm not gonna lie, my energy is not at exactly a 100 right about now. However, I have gotten a lot done today. Handling business, handling big girl things. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I post vlogs
and other big content.
Smash that like button, light it up, light it up, light it up. Comment down below, hit the red subscribe button with the white letters and that lovely notification bell right next to it so that we don't miss out any of my future posts on the channel, and tap that share button as well. You feed me. Although it's very much so sunny outside right now, I'm probably gonna be at home for the rest of the day because, like I said, I've been up since way earlier this morning. There are a lot of things that I want to get done today, you know, throughout my crib. I'm really just chilling right now, to be honest with y'all. Like, I really just need to wind down, relax, and honestly, just chill. Because all week I have been grinding and taking care of business. So I feel like I have rightfully earned, you know, some time to just relax for myself and just chill and unwind. Not think about anything, not worry about anything. So other than me doing laundry, some reading, and finding a good movie to watch, meditating. That's pretty much what's on the agenda for the rest of the day. What's up, y'all? So it's several hours later and I just put my retainers in and my eyes are a little low because I am very sleepy. I've been up all day once again. I just hopped out of the shower. Today was a very successful day, very fun and eventful day. Definitely had some good eats today. Definitely got a nice little workout in. I'm getting ready to blow dry my hair back out. I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I'm getting ready to do another braid out. Alright, so I'm done blow drying my hair. Now I'm getting ready to braid my hair all over my head. I just got done braiding my hair up and now I finally can go to bed. Today's workout felt really good. I'm still trying to work on my form and, you know, get like my own flow and momentum going when it comes to my workouts. So, you know, I will be making future adjustments and whatnot throughout my workout routine. See y'all in the next video. Good night. Like, get it low. Yes, sir.